Trig identiteite, Trig identities, video 2. Bewys, prove that sin to the power of 4 theta minus cos to the power of 4 theta is equal to, is gelyk aan 2 sin kwadraat theta minus 1. Goed, nou gaan ons weer kyk na die linkerkant en die regterkant. You work with either the left or the right hand side. Let's start on the left hand side. So the left hand side, die linkerkant is sin tot die mag 4 theta minus cos tot die mag 4 theta. Nou dit is die verskil van 2 vierkante. Tot die mag 4 is mos 'n vierkantsgetal. It's the difference of 2 squares. So you can go and write it as sin square theta plus cos square theta and sin square theta minus cos square theta. Net soos mens met gewone verskil van vierkante maak. Dan sin kwadraat theta plus cos kwadraat theta is mos 'n identiteit en dit is gelyk aan 1. Dan skryf jy net hierdie deel langs aan en onthou om dit in hakies te los. So jy gaan nou 1 inmaal hierso. Nou as jy hom inmaal, dan gaan jy die antwoord kry. Cos 1 times sin square theta is 1 is sin square theta and 1 times minus cos square theta is minus cos kwadraat theta. Nou, wat het ek hierso? Ek het vir sin kwadraat theta, wat ek niks meer kan doen nie. You can't change anything at this stage here. And cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Weer een van die identiteite. So you bring your minus down and you put that identity, what it's equal, that is equal to this, in your bracket. Now you're going to multiply the minus in to get the brackets away. So sin square theta minus 1, that makes a plus, sin kwadraat theta. En as jy nou mooi gaan kyk, as jy sien, hierso sien jy, hier 1 en daar het jy 1, so dis 2 sin square thetas minus 1. There's 1 sin square theta, plus the other sin square theta is 2 sin square theta minus 1. And that's exactly what your right hand side is. Bewys, prove that minus sin square x over cos kwadraat x minus cos x equal is, gelyk is aan 1 plus 1 op cos x. 1 plus 1 over cos x. Nou, ons gaan nou eers net werk met die linkerkant. Let's work with the left hand side. There I've rewritten it for you. Now, the first thing we're going to look at, see what we've got here. Can't we change this? Yeah, we can change it to 1 minus cos square x. It's the identity. And at the bottom, what can I do here? I can take a common factor out. Ek kan 'n gemeene factor uithaal. Kom ons doen dit gou-gou. So, hierbo, you write your minus down. Jy skryf jou x neer, jou minus neer. Dan verander jy hierdie na 1 minus cos kwadraat x, dis mos jou identiteit. En hieronder haal ek 'n cos x uit. I take a cos x as my common factor, and what's left over? Cos x minus 1. Remember, you've got to multiply that to get to that, and multiply that to get to that. Okay, volgende stapie. Nou gaan sê, nou jy mos nou 1 maal minus maal 1 is minus 1. A minus times a minus is a positive x square, cos square x. The bottom, I'm just going to leave it like that for now. Now I have here I can rewrite this like this. I just put my -1 here at the back of the positive cos square x. Nou, as ek hom so skryf, is hierdie mos die verskil van twee vierkante. Sien jy? Daar is 'n kwadraatjie, 'n minus, en hierdie is 'n kwadraatgetal. Now, I go and I factorize it. Cos x plus 1 and cos x minus 1. Still have this one looking like that. I can now cancel these two. They're the same, and there's multiply between them. So all I'm left with is cos x plus 1 bo en cos x onder. Now is my volgende stappie. I take this fraction and I go write it as 2 fractions. Those 2 on top of each other, and those 2 on top of each other. And there's a plus in the middle. Now, if you've got 2 of the same things, as jy twee selle goed bo mekaar het, wat is dit? Dis mos 'n 1. So nou het jy 1 plus 1 op cos x, en dit beteken, this is meaning that you got to the end of this proof, because that is the right hand side, dis die regterkant.